Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. I am so ecstatic about today's video. It is a glam wedding. The colors are so perfect for the holiday season. It's going to be tons of cranberries, blushes, champagne gold, antique gold, shiny gold. I mean, oh my gosh, it's so luxurious and so glamorous and so blinged out. You guys are going to love it. So I actually stopped the process of setting up this room to share with you guys the before and the after and kind of my thought process with designing and then just the mess before the masterpiece. So here is my workstation, all of my items that I use to decorate the room, and then I have my steamer going here, and then I have the ironing board set up over here, and then my little cart that I use to get things, out of the car. And oh my goodness, I left the top on the iron, you guys. I was like, oh my goodness, I was so glad that I did pull it off before it actually got too hot. But that is the brand iron that I use. I'm old school. It's a little bit more, but I absolutely love it. So also the centerpiece that I'm using here is from eFavorMart, the big huge pieces. I was essentially going to sit some live florals on top by Let Us Creative Design and Decor, but I will tell you guys a little bit more about that later. So on the tables, I decided to do one round table and then 4 rectangular around the round tables. This was a 150 guest wedding, and I wanted to bring in all the colors. She wanted champagne, blush, maroon, or cranberry, and you guys, that is super tough to combine every single thing that she wanted along with the glitz and the glam, but we were able to do it. So here is how the room turned out. So absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I end up using a different vase to house the live florals because they were a little bit heavy for the bling pieces, but the bling pieces are still gorgeous, and I actually like the way that they worked out better by using them on the estate tables that you see there in the center, and that was for like the special guest wedding party, the bride and the groom, etc., etc., etc. And so I absolutely love the way that that turned out. So in the center, and this is the reason why I chose this design, and this is a tip that you guys can use, is I wanted to use live florals, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Terry did an amazing job designing them, but I wanted to use those live florals, and on these centerpieces they were a little bit heavy. Now if the centerpieces were smaller or if they were faux flowers, they would definitely work on the bling pieces that you guys see here in the estate table. But I love the ambiance that they bring to the room, and how the focal point on these two tables are there, and then the low florals work well. All of these florals were live, but the bling pieces just set it off. And if you guys are interested in purchasing those, I will leave them down in the description box below. The link down in the description box below. So here is the low floral centerpiece that I was telling you guys about. So absolutely amazing. For the napkins, we did not do the napkins on this table like we did them on the previous table. We just did them like in the cranberry color, and then we added the bling piece. And if you guys are interested in that bling napkin ring, I will link that down below as well. It's from Totally Dazzle, and I am just so in love with these pieces. Oh my goodness. eFavorMart is wonderful for centerpieces, like amazing, and I will leave their link down below again to the website and the code LL4L. So amazing. So here's an overview of the estate tables. As you guys can see, there was a lot of play on texture and on color. The bride was kind of vintage, but she also liked a hint of glam. So you will see a lot of the antiquing and the florals, and then on some of the table runners. And I also mixed like the glamorous pieces such as the bling tablecloths in with the more elegant pieces to blend perfectly with the floral pieces as well. So I was really ecstatic about how all of the mixing and matching of all of the fabrics came together seamlessly. It is definitely possible to mix and match. You just need to make sure that the fabrics agree with one another. The sweetheart table was definitely the showstopper in this room. It was absolutely amazing. I was so in love with the florals on this table and the runner at the bottom. I mean, Terry literally stuck her foot in this runner. It's so absolutely gorgeous. And then the beautiful chairs there just really accentuated the entire look. And this backdrop, you guys, remember I did something very similar for a previous wedding, but we did change out the chandelier there, and everything just turned out so gorgeous. Now this cake stand was actually a DIY, and if you guys are interested in this DIY cake stand, leave a comment down below. The cake was absolutely gorgeous, and I love the fact that she included 2 small rose cakes on either side. It was just absolutely fabulous, and of course we used luxury linen on that table. And for the groom's cake, we wanted to bring in the personality of the groom, but for those of you guys who know anything about Alabama football, they use a lot of houndstooth red and white, and we wanted this to really work well with the overall decor of the room. So we used the brown linens, and then we used the brown A on top of the cake to bring it all together, and we kept the linen fairly simple. Now again, a key to doing luxurious weddings, I told you guys, lots of candle lights and a focal point in terms of the centerpiece. And I'm going to share with you guys like the beauty of having a gorgeous oversized focal point, and that is on the other guest table. The only thing you see are little small candle lights, and the real focal point here is the beautiful napkins and linens and this gorgeous bling napkin ring. And again, I will leave that link down below, along with the link for the amazing bling pieces from efavormart.com. And if you guys are interested in purchasing anything from there, you can get an additional 10% off by using my code LL4L, and again, I will leave that down below as well. So here is another view of the room. I did use some beautiful uplighting, and I also included some beautiful uplighting in the ceremony. This backdrop is also from eFavorMart, and it's super simple to do. So if you're interested in purchasing that, I will leave that link down below as well. So once again, here is the before of the room prior to it being luxed over, and here is the after. I would absolutely love to know what you guys think about this wedding, along with what's your favorite event, like your favorite event ever that I've ever shared on this channel. Leave it down in the comments below. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this. Oh my gosh, this process was absolutely amazing. I want to thank Terry from Let Us Design. She did all the florals, and the bride for challenging me to do colors and things that I've never done before. The venue, the West End, has been amazing. If you guys are in the Huntsville area and you're looking for a place to have a wedding, I will definitely leave that information down below. And you guys, I mean, don't you love the bling? Like, the bling is absolutely amazing. And if you're interested in purchasing these from eFavorMart, I will leave that link down below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers. And before you go, I wanted to just share with you guys one more time that I am having a live in-person workshop December 7th and 8th here at Lux Studio. I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested in registering. We still have a few seats available, and we would love for you to join us to learn how to lux over an event. If you're interested in event planning, it is the perfect gift to yourself this season. And if you have not had the opportunity to check out my previous video where my husband judges my cooking, you don't want to miss it. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously.
Hi everyone. I just always wanted to do that when you be doing your intros. You go ahead. I just always wanted
Are you serious, Robert?
I'm gonna do that for real, so.
Don't.
I'm gonna do that.
I can edit it out, Trevor.
Okay, hold on.
He is definitely a full-time hoot, you guys, and I would love for you to check it out. I will leave that link down below. Again, I am so ecstatic to be sharing this wedding with you guys. I know that you will probably have a lot of questions concerning where I purchased a lot of the other items that you saw in this video, and I will be sharing that in Lux Academy December 7th and 8th. I will link that down below. If you guys are interested, feel free to sign up. We still have a few seats available. Thank you so much again for watching and for all of your continuous support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to reach 100K by my birthday. And until next time, it's Melanie. Cheers!